Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to cook pizza pockets this afternoon. I'm going to heat up my pan, and basically my pizza pockets make a really nice snack. They're made of, I've got a wrap with, in this case, tomato ketchup inside, and some cheese and some of my fresh oregano from my own garden. These are a popular snack. So, the fire's quite hot now. Got my pan heated up. And I'm going to put a pizza pocket into the pan. Got my heat-proof gloves on. Very simple, tasty snack. I've used tomato ketchup, but you can use passata or your own tomato sauce for these. Sprinkling of cheese. Basically, I'm going to let it cook on one side for a minute or so, and then we'll turn it over, see how it's doing. These can be done with pita bread as well, but I find the wraps, when you're cooking snacks at forest school, at the preschool where I'm working, these snacks are quite quicker to do with wraps when you've got hungry children waiting. Children can also get involved in preparing the snack. And they don't take long to cook through. Obviously these can be cut in half, quartered. Got my bucket of water to one side just in case of any burns. Let them put our hands in. Burns kit on site too, just in case. Turn it once more. Oops. Not wanting to learn. I'm going to use this instead. Yeah, just give it another few seconds, and the wrap should be done. I'm going to take it off of the fire, leave it to cool. Obviously, with children and any learner, it's really important that you don't put the food straight into your mouth. With children, we tend to get them to count slowly to 20 seconds, and with very young children it's important that the adult tries it first. Once I finish cooking, I need to make sure I extinguish my fire properly, and make sure everything is extinguished before leaving the site. Today I'm in my own garden, but it's really important. I'm going to hand this now. Well, I'll just open it to show you how it's cooked inside. And I'm going to hand this to my cameraman. Thank you.